Hello, welcome to Terppas Toys and Gadgets. Sorry my bad English. I'm a Finnish guy, so I don't know how to speak English very well, but maybe I'll get better. But move on. I thought it might be fun to make videos. My ex-wife orders all kind of stuff from the internet, from our child. We have together 2 childs, and he orders all kind of cheap toys and other gadgets that you don't need but you want because they look fun. So I don't know what is in here. She hasn't told me. She orders and I open. Let's see which one first. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I have all different kind of tools here to open this. Let's see what works better. Oh, this is exciting. Let's try this. If I saw it like this, you get the picture. This is harder than I thought. Crappy tool. Let's try this. Okay. That worked pretty well. Nice. Let's see, some kind of cube. Fidget cube. Mirror. Let's see. Work, glass, home, spin. All kind of stuff. You can do it. Open up. Damn, it was hard. Look at these fingers. No. They don't fit. What is this? Let's see. Okay. Package. Lots of cardboard. Different kind of cubes. What do I supposed to do with this? Niks naks. Aha. Tässä on vaan tämmösiä. Tässä on tämmösiä, näitä voi käpälöidä. Vähän niinku. Onko. Is this some kind of stress relief toy? Niks naks. You can attach a cord to this. Okay. Then it becomes to keychain. Damn. It ain't so easy. So tiny. This is exciting. I can't get it here. Yeah, that's about it. Let's open other package from other video. See you soon. Bye.